Satnam, Namaste. Welcome to Blessings of Grace, following the chanting of the names of God throughout Tier 2 of Patreon, because they do so many fascinating things for our lives. So in this one, when you chant this one, there are 9 names of God in this one. And I'll go through them one at a time. There's Hare or Hud, depending upon how you sing it. So Hare means infinite divinity. There's Gobinde, which means sustainer. Mukunday means the God who is the liberator. Udare is the God who is the enlightener. Apare is infinite God. Haryang is destroyer, destroyer of chaos and karma. Karyang is the creator God. Nir Niname means nameless God, and Akame means desireless. The language is Gurmukhi, which is the ancient sacred language of the Sikhs, and I love it very much, and I hope you enjoy this chanting as much as I have. Hare 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 Gobinde, Hare 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 Mukunday, Hare 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 Udare, Hare 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 Apare, Hare 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 Apare, Hare 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 Nirame, Hare 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 Kame, Hare 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 Gobinde, Hare Hare Hare. I'm gonna mess it up. Hare 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 Gobinde, Hare 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 Udare, Hare 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 Apare, Hare 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 Udare, Hare 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 Kariyang, Hare 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 Nirame, Hare 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 Kame. Hare 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 Gobinde, Hare 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 Mukunday, Hare 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 Udare, Hare 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 Apare, Hare 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 Kariyang, Hare 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 Nirame, Hare 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 Kame. Hare 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 Gobinde, Hare 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 Mukunday, Hare 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 Udare, Hare 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 Apare, Hare 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 Kariyang, Hare 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 Nirame, Hare 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 Kame. Oh Sadhana.